If the being of a Buddha were limited to human life, it is true that the transmission of teachings in the celestial worlds and all these extraordinary things would lack meaning. But the being of a Buddha is far from being locked in simple human appearance. In fact, it is natural for everyone to hold to one's own point of view. In Buddhism itself, during the course of time, various philosophical schools have been opposed to each other. Only a higher point of view allows us to see that the more narrow conceptions are not false, but partially true. Likewise, when we study as science, the more subtle subjects analyzed at the end of the study do not destroy the validity of more simple things learned in the beginning. We really are prisoners of our psychological constructions, which veil reality. The function of the Buddha's teaching is to rid ourselves of illusion created by thoughts and belief in the reality of phenomena.